So here we are with our third video of chapter 1. That is the last video since few topics are already deleted. This topic is also we are not confirmed it's coming or not because it's a composition function, composite function. It is written there. It is being deleted but can be used in some question for finding out FOG or GOF. So let's read it. It's not too hard, so one should do it. We should not leave it. So there's a definition number 8. Let F A tends to B and G is B to C be two functions. Here it is, this is A, you can see, here you can see B and this is C. Then the composition of F and G denoted by GOF is defined as the function GOF A to C given by G of fx means you can write like this, G of fx for every x belongs to A. So you can see here in the diagram from A to B and from B to C there was a G function. If I had to find G of f, so it will be from A to C. Right? Let's see a question. Let f is 2, 3, 4, 5 tending to 3, 4, 5, 9 and G is 3, 4, 5, 9 tending to 7, 11, 15 be a functions defined as f2 is equal to 3, f3 is equal to 4, f4 is equal to 5 and f5 is equal to 9. G3 is equal to G4 is equal to 7 and G5 is equal to G9 is equal to 11. Find GOF, right? So for this 2, 3, 4, 5 we have to find. So let us find, we have GOF means G of F2. What is G of F2? F2 is 3. So we will be finding G of 3. And what is G of 3? That is 7. Let's do one more. G of F3. 2 we have done. From here, 3 now we are doing. G of F3. You can see from here, F3 is 4. So it will be G of 4. So G of 4 is 7. Let's see for 4. GOF for 4 is 5. So we have to find G5. G5 is 11. So our answer is 11. And GOF 5 means F5 we had already seen, it's 5. And G5 we know it's 11. So the answer is again 11. So this is a small topic which one should not leave it. This year only board has said that this is not coming. We are not doing binary also, it's not there. Finding out the inverse is also not there. But I thought of taking this topic since we should do it. Find GOF and FOG. F is from R to R, real numbers. G is also from R to R, given by fx is cos x and gx is 3x square. Show that GOF is not equal to FOG. Let's find G of fx. G of fx. Fx is given cos x, right? Now we'll be finding G of cos x, which will give us 3 cos x whole square, that is 3 cos square x. Similarly, f of gx. Gx is 3x square. So it will become cos 3x square. Note that 3 cos square x and 3 cos 3x square is not equal. So we can say that GOF is not equal to FOG. Let's do few more questions from the miscellaneous exercise. Many questions are deleted from this. Whatever is connected to the inverse and of binomial, we don't have to do that. Last year only binomial was deleted. This year also it's not there in your syllabus. See again that same kind of question. Find GOF and FOG. If fx is given, modulus of x and gx is given, modulus of 5x minus 2. Let's see this. We have to find GOF means G of fx. fx हमारा है modulus of 8. So it is 5 times modulus of x minus 2. This is my GOF. Now we'll be finding f of g, means f of gx. Gx is modulus of 5x minus 2, and I'm getting here double modulus of 5x minus 2. That is just a modulus of 5x minus 2. So these two things you can see, they are not coming equal. So do not write f of g is equal to GOF. Now see the second part. Fx is given 8x cube and gx is given x to the power 1 upon 3. We have to find GOF for x. So g of fx means g of 8x cube, and it is becoming 8x cube to the power 1 upon 3, which is giving me 2x. Similarly, when we will be doing for f of gx, gx is x to the power 1 upon 3. So f of x to the power 1 upon 3 is 8 x की power 1 upon 3 to the power 3, which is giving me x. So it is 8x. Let's see one more question over here. That is also a similar one. Fx is given this. X is not equal to 2 upon 3. We have to show that f of fx is equal to x. And further it is given what is the inverse of f. This we don't have to do. We have to only find f of fx. So f of fx is f of 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4. So after substituting in this function 4 times 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4 plus 3 upon 6 times 4x plus 3 upon 6x minus 4 minus 4. After solving it, we are getting here 34x upon 34, and after cancellation, we are getting it's equal to x. So that only we were supposed to prove. So this was your question number 4. Now see here, another question is there. Finding out again f of fx. So we are given fx is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 2. So after putting it here, in place of x, we'll be substituting as x square minus 3x plus 2 at every place, and we are getting this equation. After solving, its the answer is x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 3x square minus 3x. Let us do one more or two more question. Show that the function f r2r given by fx is equal to x cube is injective. Injective, you know, it means 1, 1. So let us start with it. For 1, 1, we always assume from fx is equal to fy. And we have to prove that x is equal to y. So fx is equal to fy implies that x cube is equal to y cube. So we have to show that if x is equal to y, then it is injective. So let us see. If we see that by contradiction method, we are going to say, suppose x is not equal to y, then what about their cube? Their cube will also be not equal to y cube. However, this will be a contradiction to 1. We had already said that x cube is equal to y cube. So it's a contradiction. However, this will be a contradiction. So we can say that x is equal to y. Hence, we can say that f is injective. So here we have the method which we have used is contradictory method. And here I am finishing this exercise. A homework is written here. You can see here complete chapter 1 in your notebook and submit on Google Classroom. I'm going to check it out over there. A list will be made for every chapter. The lists are being made and many have not submitted the previous chapter also. Please submit it on time because I am noting down the dates also. So let us finish it over here. Have a nice day.